spinach puree. I added 1 green chilli, ginger garlic, and made the puree. I took the boneless chicken, lot of cut onion, and in instant pot sauté mode. I took oil, little cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, and pepper. Now add the onion and bay leaves. Wait till it turns golden brown. Now add the chicken and the puree. Okay, I'm going to mix it well. I'm going to add the sauce and I'm going to pressure cook for 2 minutes in instant pot. Add the garam masala and kasuri methi. Okay. If you have any other specialty chicken curry masala, you can add that if you like. If you want to make it heavy, you may add a little bit of almond or cashew puree or heavy cream. I want to keep it lighter and healthy, so I just have a base of onions, then chicken and spinach and some Indian masalas. Here you go. The spinach chicken is ready. You can have with plain rice or paratha bread.